I'm singing and I'm so glad you're here. Thank you. Check out this video. All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to dive right into it. We're in Canva and we're going to learn how to create videos with animation and music. Didn't know you can do that in Canva, did you? Ha ha! You about to take it up to a new level. Let's make it an Instagram story. So we're on the templates. Canva's already went ahead and created the pixel size for Instagram. Gonna go over here to the upload thing. I've already uploaded a video from my computer that I want to use. Too funny, y'all. We're about to take this thing off to a new level. Y'all about to see you, girl. Y'all about to see you, girl. I'm so silly. I'm so silly. And if we wanted to crop the video, we would do so right here. Okay. The volume of the video. Then we're going to go ahead and let's go to elements. And we're going to go to frames. And we're going to make it look like a telephone. That's the one I'm looking for. Here she goes. And she's free, as you can see. So I should have put the video on top of that. Yes, honey. You see that? You see how they did that? Yay, yay. I'm going to crop this thing because I wanted to look a certain way in my phone. All right, she'll do. Now I'm going to go back to elements. So here you see some really jazzy stuff, y'all. Jazzy. And I'm just going to pick something cool. And I'm going to position it backwards. So that graphic will be behind my video like so. So it's got color to them. The other ones were white. So you might not even be able to see that. A little pizzazz to it, you know me. I like to pizzazz it up a bit. That look cute or whatever. Okay. Now if we want to add some music, Canva has music, guys, and you can do it just like this. We can break it down to free. We want to hear it. You see the pro buy, I get it for free because I'm a pro subscriber. Typically, there's a small cost associated with it. I believe it's $3 per download, I believe. We want happy because I'm happy. Hey, hey. Calabasas, that's what we got. kind of R&B that is, but okay. Hey, we'll just roll with it for now, y'all. Okay, you see it's right down here. So it's in this thing here. And I can move it around, see where I want it to start at. Okay. And I can just save it. Insta story. And I can download her. And it's going to download as a video. And I believe for Instagram stories, we would just want to make sure that this particular video is, I believe, under 15 seconds for Insta stories. So if you just want to make your story stand out, then do that. Then do that. And because I am connected on social media, I can just click that. You know, and it automatically, and I can post it to my Instagram. That's what I can do. But that is that, y'all. I hope you got some good value out of that. Your video can be related to your business, because we talk about helping business owners on this channel, but just make sure your graphics is eye-catching. You have to stand out from the crowd. So you can do that by way of your graphics. So make sure you're utilizing your graphics to stand out from the crowd. Okay? Alrighty, folks. I will see you in the next video. Smooch it. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this content and want more content like it, I'm creating more content on the tools to help you be successful in your business. All right. I'll see you in the next video, folks. Bye.